The next thing I really like to do is to play around with the sounds. So if you've seen the video discussing pattern and the video where I put a sequence of chords in the step sequencer, then this is a great next step. So just as a recap, I've put a sequence of chords in and it sounds like this. So I won't play the whole thing, but you get the idea. Now what I like to do is go into the sounds and really play around with those. So I turn on the sound menu, then I press play, and this is where it gets quite fun. So if I start dialing, I can hear all the different sounds within the J6. That one's quite cool. And there's, so many sounds. 8 times 8. Ooh, that one's cool. So there's 64 different sounds, and that's a really nice way to do it because you've already built something in the J6, and then you can go and listen to some of the different sounds and choose something different that might suit what you've created. I mean, you could go the other way around where you play with the sounds first and then you build a chord progression. This is the power of this thing. You can really take it in so many directions, but this is one approach that I like. So once you're finished playing with sounds, as always, come out of that menu. So you're back to the kind of general playing menu. And the way I like to do that is once I've finished building something, always have a look at these 3 on the right and the left and check they're off. And then you're going to get your playback without any kind of interruption happening. There's not going to be any hold. You're not going to be activating chords or other variations, etc. So that's a really nice way to explore sound. 64 different sounds. It's kind of endless. So experiment with those. Play around.